Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this tutorial we'll be doing the Java JDBC part 2, in which we'll be showing deleting and displaying data. In the previous part we had left with some principal JDBC interfaces, which is a result set query. It executes a select statement and results a result set object, and result set it contains the table data returned by a select query. SQL exception. This checked exception is declared to be thrown by all the above methods, which we had seen that the red color warnings, and we catch these methods by the try catch or the throws exception. And now we'll move on to the practical programming part. In the previous video we had covered insert and update, and in this video we'll be doing the deleting and display. So we'll go to new, we'll click on class, we'll create a class with name delete, and then we'll just click on finish. You guys can use the same package which you have created for the previous video, so that you don't need to again add external jar of the MySQL connector. We'll import Java SQL and then we'll just write the code over here. The code is same as the previous one. In this, there's a difference that string q1 is equal to delete from user ID, where ID is equal to the ID and the password is equal to password. So first of all, whenever you copy a code, keep sure that you are putting your password, not the password which is given in the code, because then it will show an error that cannot log into the SQL database. So here is our database which we used for the previous video, and in this the ID was 0012 and the password was password was coders. So we'll put the same password and ID, and we'll just save this program. And once we'll save it, we have saved it, and now actually when I have not changed the password, so I'll change the password to MySQL password. And now what we'll do is just save this program and click on run, and we can see that we have found some exceptions which we don't need to worry about, and it's written one user successfully deleted. And when we check the SQL, we do not find that user and it has been deleted. So this is how to delete, and now we'll show how to display the data which is there in the SQL onto the console. So for that, I'll create a class and I'll name it as display, and I'll click on finish. Again, the same thing, you have to just import the SQL, and then again I'll be copy pasting the code, so just that the video remains short, and all the codes of all the 4 files, if you have seen the previous video you might have found it there as well, but if you have not, check that video and then come to this video, and then you can find all the 4 files in the description. So same thing, I'll run it and see, I've got some exception and I've got the data which is present in the SQL. This data I've got because I've used some rs.getString method which gets me the string which is located on a particular ID. And guys, this is how we do the display statement. Thank you so much for watching.